Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at Mux App, at how it will be installed and how it will be configured. So first of all go to the agency level and then go to level of marketplace. After this search here Mux and then install it. If you install it on the agency level then it will be installed on all the location, otherwise you can also install on a particular location as well. So in our case we are going to install on the agency. So I click here and then I proceed. So it will take some time for the installation. So after the installation has been done, so go to the location level and then go to the custom page this and then search your app. I come installing Mux, so configured it. So now you need a token ID and a token secret. So first of all you need an account of Mux. So here I already created a Mux account. So for the credentials go to the settings and then click on access tokens, and here I already created, so now we are creating a new one. So make sure you are selected all the scopes, then generate token. So this will be your ID and this will be your secret key. So first of all copy this, and after this copy this one and then click on submit button. So your credential will be saved. So after this go to the automation and then use this app in the workflow builder.